Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel, Mindfulness with Pratibha. Nowadays, there is lots of rains going on all over, and people are suffering from common cold, viral fever, and lot of things like that. And because of that, they are not able to go to work, or women in the house are feeling so dull, unenergetic to do the work. Even children are facing lot of problems in going to school when this time is for exams, and a lot of things are going in school, a lot of things are going at work, and people are resting, they are not getting healed fast, and they are feeling body pain. Then a lot of fever is there, body ache is there, and they don't know how to get out of it sooner so that they can go to work, children can go to schools and attend their class and attend their also exams when this period is all of these. So let's do Ho'oponopono for today, and that is for recovering from the common cold or the viral fever that is going on. So first of all, if you're new here, I would like you to request that you please subscribe my channel, like and share so that you get amazing content. And also if you require deeper healing, one-on-one consultations, and many things that is unheard, or you want to get out of it, which requires lot of deep healing, then you can get in touch with me. You can join my WhatsApp community and also message me so that I can take you, give you support, and we in this process, in these sessions, we can heal the things that is going on in your life, and you will see quicker results in all areas of life. So let's get started for the Ho'oponopono for the viral fever that is going on. So first of all, I would like to tell you that relax your energy, take a deep breath, and place your hands on your heart and start saying, I take 100% responsibility for attracting this viral fever, common cold in my body. I'm sorry, dear universe, for not taking good care of me when it is needed. I'm sorry, universe, for ignoring all the signs that you are giving me to take rest, to love myself, to take hot beverages, to take hot meals, rest when it is needed. And sorry for that, for ignoring all the symptoms. Please forgive me, dear universe, for not taking good care of myself, for not going out with the precautions like wearing mask or even taking good rest, not able to sit in good posture when I'm working. I'm sorry, universe, for not taking good care of me, not having that hot good food when it is needed in these times. Please forgive me for eating outside food which is really not required right now, and I'm sorry for the ignorance. Please forgive me. I'm sorry for all the things that is allowing myself to be stressful, be painful, and not healing right now. Thank you, dear universe, for healing me, showing me the path that what is needed for my body right now, and giving me the light, the strength, even in this cold, even in this viral fever, and allowing myself to heal, to take rest. Thank you, my dear cells in the body. Thank you, my body parts that is still working, that is still supporting me and allowing me to do my things slowly. But yes, I am sure with this healing, I will heal myself faster, and I will recover from this viral soon. Thank you, dear cells in my body parts. Thank you, my dear health, my body. Thank you so very much. I love myself. I love the way I'm healing right now. And sorry if I've not taken medicines on time. I'm sorry for ignoring the medicines when it is really required and not healing myself faster. I'm sorry for it. I love myself. I love each and everything that I'm doing right now to recover soon from this viral fever, from this common cold, cough and cold. And thank you for all the medicines who are helping me to recover and to gain this normal situations again in my health. So thank you so very much, my dear body, my dear medicines, for healing, for showing me that I need to take care of myself, I need to love myself, I need to be protecting myself when I go out or even in the house, and take good hot beverages whenever it is required. So thank you so very much. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, my dear body. And I'm sorry if I've done anything negligence towards my body and that has created this. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a deep breath and release. Also, you can heal your medicines, whatever medicines you are taking right now for any viral fever, common cold. Just place this in your hand and start healing this medicines too. That thank you, dear medicines, because of you I'm healed, I'm healing quickly. Thank you for supporting me and giving me the right medicines, the right energy that is required, that you are giving me to recover soon. So when you do this with your medicines, with any medicines that you're taking, you will see amazing results, that medicines is working more faster for you and you are healed for your things that is going on in your body. So I hope this makes sense. You please practice this. You please take care of yourself. Please have that protection whenever you go out. Wear mask, eat good hot food, hot beverages, and also heal your medicines so that you recover fast, which it takes 10-15 days to recover, maybe 8-10 days. You will recover in 4-5 days only when you do all this. So I hope this video helps. Do come and repeat what I have said in the Ho'oponopono healing session right now and be amazingly out of it. So thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.